Symmetry command, which will mirror the object, and you can choose modify and use symmetry. And now I'm going to instruct you how to mirror it. For example, if you want to make it a little bit longer, so you choose Y like mine. Over here you can see the mirror. You see, we can adjust that object if you want it to be shorter or longer. It depends on your adjustment. You see, when you try to pull it away, it's gonna be break because we don't have enough detail for it. So alright, so now I almost close that object. If you want it to be longer, you choose one more symmetry command and just pull it. Once again, we use Y direction for it, and that's it. Actually, your mission is to match the detail on this and finish the command. Okay, and then I copy it into another. You see, this is the first option, and now I'm gonna delete all the command that I apply on this object, and I'm gonna show you how to make a symmetry with a different direction, which is like the horizontal, and now we're gonna go vertical and symmetry again, and then we choose mirror. Once again, we choose mirror, and then we have to have two objects there. Alright, you see? And the first object, we're gonna use mirror, and then we rotate. You see? Now the object is now bended into L shape. And the second object, I'm gonna apply symmetry only and mirror, and then yes, the first one is rotated outward, but the second one I show you here is rotated inward. So both of them are under the symmetry command, but different direction of mirror, so we're gonna have different type of detail. You see? Alright, so we're gonna have 3 angles also. It actually depends on how you rotate. In this symmetry command, you can see that we have X axis, Y and Z axis. You can see. Give it a try. You can move, pull it back and get it back closer. and otherwise you can control this detail also. Yep, just move the coordinate of the symmetry command, and moreover you can use flip to turn it backward, like opposite of that symmetry. The first function is slide along the mirror. You can see that it just rotate the objects only. It does not hide the other part. But if you take that box, it's gonna hide the unnecessary part. And the second option here, you see, if I you see that the boundary here would be different. Depends on the situation that you work, the project that you work. And for the second model, you see that if I have a sofa here, I'm gonna have to, it's like a modular sofa. And if I want to make it flip, and then you see here I have I want it to be shorter, this sofa. Here you see, so I want the handle would be outside, so and the sofa would be shorter. Okay. And yes, so I just created a sofa, different style sofa by Symestry command. And this one I want it to be longer for more seats, so just Symmetry and choose the X axis. Now I choose the Y axis, and then I just pull this one, pull the coordinate outside. Alright. And yes, I finished it. Alright. So I just like delete the handle. And if you want an L shape so far in the corner of the room, you can use the this one to mirror and rotate it, just like we did it before. You see, any angle you want. And just a little bit more edit. Alright, that's it. 90-degree. And this inside area, we have to move it to match the corner. You see, this one is not exactly you, so you have to modify it manually. I'm gonna copy it into another one, and this later on I will delete the pillows, and we keep moving until the pillows touch each other. Yes, you see, you can stop the command here, and then we choose edit poly, and then we have to group them to and choose this one, delete that. Alright, now we have another type of sofa. You see? Now, you see? This one. Okay. Yeah, you should choose mirror, otherwise just rotate the whole object, not our command, our expectation. Alright, so try to rotate outward. Alright. You see, in some showrooms they do have this kind of sofa. Thank you.